Oh, hi guys, it's me again, Santa Shaggy. Oh boy, and welcome to the kickoff of the 2012 Christmas season right here at Santa Shaggy and the Christmas Crew. Oh yeah, it's December 1st. I can't believe it already. I've been kind of decorating everything, so I'm kind of tangled up in messes and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, get that away from my mouth. You know what that means though? December 1st and our kickoff? Well, I'll explain it to you later. But we've got so many new things coming towards you. And one thing is, if you read the title above, you know what that is. It's our Advent Calendar. Woo! Let me explain just a little bit on it, considering because today is our first day of doing this. I gotta tell you what we're gonna be doing. Each and every day, all the way up until Christmas, you'll see a different video from each and every one of us else. Well, not each and every one of us else, because not everybody wants to do it. But the ones that want to do it, you're going to see a different video each day, counting down till the big day, and the big birthday of the baby Jesus, you know. So each and every day you'll have a different take on the countdown. So one day you might hear a joke, one day you might hear a riddle, one day you might hear a silly story, one day you just don't know what's going to happen. But in each and every day, we'll tell you how many days there are until Christmas and how many days there are until Christmas Eve. Are you guys ready? It's my turn to start it all off. And so let's see what the big man says today is. Okay? How many days are there left of Christmas? See? Santa says there's 24 days till Christmas Day. That means there's only 23 days until the big man himself jumps in that sleigh and goes zooming around the world. I gotta stop doing that with lights on my head. That means we're almost there. We're down to less than a month, man. Are you excited? I'm surely excited. 24 days. That means I'd better go finish getting this tree set up, and I better finish getting my decorations up and my Christmas shopping done. And then I gotta finish my list that I started on January 1st. But anyway, you guys stay tuned, okay? I'll have an explanation video of some more stuff that are coming, and you never know who might show up in the next couple of days. So you guys stay tuned, okay? Comment and like and everything like that. And by the way, we hit 200, yay! But I'll talk about that more on Monday's Week in Review video that we do every Monday. But so let us know what you think of the Advent Calendar and the 24 days till Christmas. See ya. Shaggy out.